All right, so I was gonna get some simply orange juice, but then I saw the peach. And you know I got that peach cobbler tobacco. Welcome to the Graffiti Jungle. Paolo Pulingue. Benvenuti nella Jungla di Graffiti. This is Tangential Thought Chat Show, Pensieri Tangenziali and Cigar Talk Podcast Sweet Cigari. I'm your chief, Gihareh, sono tuo capo, Gihareh. We're trying to get into the mix real quick. We might cook some breakfast. Let's get into it.
Connected.
If I say I need to see 2 breasts and thighs, I'm not talking about Popeyes. I ain't talking about chicken, but which came first, the chicken or the egg? We got some eggs. We got the breakfast of champions. Egg, sausage, some Simply Peach. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. On the minimalist tropical ball. While I get this heated up, I'm gonna go ahead, crop this top, and then start cooking.
Now she turned around and was trying to put my dick in the mouth. I let her.
That should bring it, babe.
Save all your fault.
That should bring
Hey, yo,
it, babe.
Swizzy.
I want all the smoke. Lost and outside.
Yeah. All me on you. Yeah. What it's gonna make? Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you.
Watch
I
it
told these
turn,
niggas
it
I was
bleed,
coming
it
back to
stop
bust
running
their
out.
ass.
You better get us away, guns out. My therapist done moved down and stayed.
See, now you know who the guard be. I know what you want. You know I gotta. Good no, boss. You see me, you love me. The streets, they clear me God of the hood. You niggas is watching and wishing you could. Reclaiming the throne the way I got it. Lock it, motherfucker. What's good? You. Oh, Maria, Maria. Come on. Turn it up, cause then I'm black. I hit you with the fact that the God is immortal will spit. The way I be doing historical shit.
She remind me of a West Side Story.
In case you when your niggas act like you ain't know when I'm informing your clip, I take your bitch while I'm performing my shit. I knew you was gonna give me that high note with Carlos Santana with the Refugee Gang. Make your body go now, yeah. Yo, Carlos, man, you making that guitar cry. Make it think about it, gang.
This one's work. This one's work.
I be outside with the glizzy, told that fire be tripping. I just might die on living. Right. I keep a pole in the wheel. Cause a lot of these niggas out here envy me. She see money all around me.
I might have cut too much off.
Come to me. But got my foot up on the gas, but somebody gotta do it. Turn the TV off, turn the TV off. It ain't no hole in the clip.
You don't always hit the target.
Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. Sipping on Hennessy, got me bending sideways. Just the man, you don't hold. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. Nigga run around with the truth, came from Spitty Chain. Oh no, good against Meadowlands, nigga with turn this TV off, turn this TV off. Ain't no way to keep. And it's like every song I'm on, I be calling my spirits. I put my hero on rock. Shit get crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious. Can't help it, huh? I put Moscato on rock. One front, one say up. It's crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious. Swish, I'm bowing. I'm so awesome. Shoot at an OB, shoot at a cop, shoot at the police. It's crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious. Oh, bitch keep calling. Hello? She think I'm awesome. Free all my niggas who stuck in the box, locked up and watching the clock. It's crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious. I'm so fucking awesome. I'm so awesome. I'm locked up, they fighting with locks. Locked up, they swinging their knife. I can't be living this life. Hey. No more Bacardi, alright. I don't want Cardi, so I'ma pour Henny on ice.
Shit, man, don't fuck ass kids on, nigga. Fuck me out the club, nigga.
I told about to bring the pressure.
Shit, let me show this motherfucker how hard this shit really is, though.
I put it down so long and so strong that your bitch will leave home. Apply some pressure to the chat. Yeah.
So I'm outside of the club and you think I'm a pawn.
Do wrong, man, your bitch is off the leash. I got 1,000 keys of cut. Nigga.
I told him, motherfucker, I ain't never scared.
She been gone so long, you can't get her on the phone. Cause the bitch that been with me,
I ain't never scared.
I'm trying to make this money fast. Nigga,
I ain't never scared.
I'm trying to get this shit together.
I ain't never scared.
Good time, I know it's on your mind. I want you, and you want me to. Stop fighting, I know exactly what you want. You wanna do it to me. I wanna feel you touch my body, baby. Body, baby. Do it to me. I guarantee you won't regret it. Let me set it out like you ain't never had it. Do it to me. I want you to grab.
I'm at the top of my game. I'm who they hate. This shit come with the fame. That's how I knew that I made it.
You know how it feels. Oh my, yeah.
Fucking with the old boss, you gon' get fucked over.
Wrap your arms around with your mercy.
Bet against me, fuck up your parlay. These niggas know I'm the biggest investment.
Rarries and Robux, these hoes are cheap salsa.
This nigga found out about that nigga. I don't give a fuck cause I'm a pimp.
I give up on doing things my way.
These bitches love salsa.
Just hopped on a G6. I'm getting hit while I'm playing my switch.
Regulators. Your simple words just don't move me. You're minor, we major. I don't know what you heard about me.
We regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good too.
I'm only 19, but my mind is older.
Yeah. In Hollywood, they say there's no business like show business. I pop a lot of shit cause I can back it up. My left stroke's the death stroke.
But you can't be any geek off the street.
I'm in the telly working up a switch group.
I don't usually do this, but
Gotta be handy with the steel if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
can I sing to you?
In the hood they say, there's no business like whole business. Regulators! They say I talk a little fast, but if you listen a little fast, I ain't got to slow down for you to catch up, bitch. Mount up.
Yours, mine, ours.
Hey, can I please talk to map?
That ass perfect, baby. I love the way you bend it over the turkey, baby.
I keep on falling.
She wanna fuck me out, praying like she dying in the sun. That ass perfect, baby. I love the way you bend it over the turkey, baby.
Bust it, babies, real quick on me.
Talking to me like she like me or something. Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest.
Got the body of a goddess.
With you.
That ass perfect, baby. I love the way you bend it over the turkey, baby. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless,
That ass for the pink and brown. I see you, girl.
my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless.
Coming down from the ceiling. Yes.
Cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest.
Need to get her over to my crib and do that night thing.
I'm a getting money ass nigga. I ain't chasing shit unless it's money and liquor.
I'm in love with a stripper. She rollin'.
Nah, I ain't no referee, but she know I'm a visitor.
She climbing that molding. I'm in love with a stripper.
She got both ass cheeks bouncing and double dribble.
All my niggas look rich as fuck.
She talking to me like she like me or something.
Be like I'm nasty. Freaky as fuck, but she classy. Suck on that dick with her ass. Swallow them kids in the back.
Yeah.
He put his thumb in. Hit from the back, ain't no running. Hit from the side and I'm coming. Turn around, let him nut on my stomach.
That pussy throbbing when no need it. That dick is dangerous, make you feel.
I'ma make a mess all on them beside your sheets. I let her pull out on your chain when you on top of me. And this pussy water like the AP. Nigga wanna taste me, fuck me like you hate me. Let them make a movie, HD. And I ain't worried about them hoes, cause they ain't me. Heads go up like them limbo doors. I'ma put an arch in it when I touch my toes. Pussy so good, said he wants some more. So I fuck him one more time before I go.
For that being patient. I ain't got time, girl, I been waiting.
Deep throat and I still don't choke.
And that pussy like the Matrix. Say I'm the devil, conversating.
Now give me some good love. Somebody rockin' like you never.
Girl, you know I'm crazy with the dick. Give it to you, put it in your back.
Give me some good love. Somebody rockin'.
I'm a tiger with the cat. I had that pussy coming back to back.
Rock my body, baby. Gonna rock my body.
Hang on, have your dick and feel like earth. I'm 5'9", my dick 6'4". Be my professor, give me super brain. After this dick can never be the same. Oh.
Baby, make it rain. Don't let go till.
Why receive it easy? That would have pussy at me. There she bang. There she thick.
Coffee, don't stop. Let me love you to the reason. I feel like falling in love.
Pussy lips smiling. I make the pussy happy. Take the panties out. There she nice. You could be my judge, baby. Yeah, I do life. Give me life.
When I sit on top of you, I said I wanna go where nobody's been.
I'm the pussy monster. Now get the pussy ready. And I know that you be dancing till your toes hurt, but I can make your toes curl. I can make your soul jerk.
I'm in love to fuck something up. I wanna go missing.
Get it poppin' cause we know we can't win right there home. California, too strong as a titan is what I'm. Girl, I am a blood, smooth, smooth.
I wanna go